about the celestial events of July. And the celestial events of July start from the 5th of July, and on the 5th of July is the moon at its apogee. If you have been watching this series, then you might already know what the moon at its apogee means. But if you don't, I will tell you now. Moon at its apogee just means that it's the farthest point that the moon can go from its orbit to Earth. And perigee, which is the complete opposite of the apogee, the closest it can get to Earth. And if it's a full moon at its apogee, that means it is a supermoon. And then on July 6th, I forgot to tell you about a new thing that is going to be happening that I haven't talked about yet in this video, which is the Earth at its aphelion. Now you might be wondering, what is an aphelion? An aphelion is like an apogee, but for the Earth and the Sun. An aphelion is just the farthest that the Earth can go from its orbit to the Sun, and a perihelion is the closest it can get from its orbit to the Sun. But if it's summer, then how come it can go to its aphelion? It can still go like that. Summer just means that the Earth is closer to the Sun, so that the Earth is warmer, at least one side of it, meaning the northern hemisphere. Everyone in the southern hemisphere right now must be having winter, but I'm not there. I'm in the northern hemisphere, maybe the new one. And then on July 7th, we have the star which is going to be called, on July 6th, we're going to have a star called Aldebaran, which I think I've already told you about this star. It's going to be near the moon. And then on July 7th, we have Mercury, the smallest planet from the sun, near our moon. And from July 9th to July 10th, it is the new moon. We can't see the new moon because it's a new moon, but this is a special new moon because it marks the start of a month called Av. It's called Av, meaning it's just A and B. It's called Av on the Hebrew calendar, and it marks the starting of that month. And it also marks the start of the 6th month on the Chinese calendar. And then on July 12th, we will have a star called Regulus near Venus. Venus can be seen as a star from Earth, but we know it's not actually a star because we can't see it as a planet from Earth because it's very, very far away. And on July 13th, we have Venus and Mars conjunction. Even Venus and Mars look like stars from here because of that. But since Mars is a red planet, it's a reddish star next to a very bright star. The brightest star that we see in the sky. But it's not a star, as I told you before. And then on July 16th, an actual star called Spica will be seen near our moon. And I think I've already told you about this, like the star called Aldebaran. And the Spica, I think it appeared last time in June. And then from July 19th to July 20th, we have a star called Antares near our moon. It can be seen for 2 days, like I told you now, from 19th to 20th. And then on July 21st, we have the moon at its perigee, and we all like the moon at its perigee, right? Because it looks so big and bright. And also on July 21st, there is another event happening where Mars, Venus, and the star I told you, Regulus, will all be seen together, next to each other. All three stars next to each other. And the last event of this month, on July 23rd, is the full moon. It has many names, but one of its famous names is called Buck Moon, which is basically named after a buck reindeer, after a buck deer. At this time of the year, when the moon is happening, the deer, they start to grow in new antlers, the young male ones. And the farmers named it that, as they named every other moon. And also, this is not a supermoon. You might be thinking it's a supermoon because of all of my other previous videos, but it's not. There have only been 2 supermoons which have happened this year, and they've already happened. The last one was on June 24th and the first one was on May 26th. The one that happened on May 26th was the super flower moon, and the one that happened on June 24th was the strawberry moon, which I told you about. And it's called strawberry moon because strawberry grows at that time. The farmers named it that because of the strawberries that they grow. So that's all I have to say for this video, but I will see you in my next videos. And if you like this video, like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Bye bye. Adios.